Are you looking for easy access to downtown Boise? Welcome to 715 West Beeson. This 2005 home boasts of 1,331 square feet, 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. It has an open living area downstairs and 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms upstairs. And for you investors, this home currently has clean tenants that take great care of the place and are willing to extend their lease. Because of the location, this home will always attract renters and produce great monthly rents. The lot size and the hardscape allow for easy outside maintenance. There's parking in the front and in the back, with a fire pit in the back to enjoy those Boise fall nights. If you're active, enjoy a jog or a bike ride along the Greenbelt, or just enjoy the flowing water. Again, just blocks away, take the bridge to easy access to Boise State, home of the Broncos. For complete information and to schedule a tour, please contact me today. And if you're looking for an agent to list with that uses HD video on all of his listings, use the contact information on the screen, and thank you for watching.